When producing music, the clap sound can be as influential as a heartbeat in a track, providing rhythm and energy that propels the music forward. Ableton's DS Clap instrument offers a versatile palette for shaping the perfect clap, whether you're aiming for the precise punctuality of an electronic snap or the warm authenticity of a human clap. At the heart of DS Clap lies the fusion of filtered noise and a sharp impulse that dances through stereo delay lines. This instrument's genius is its ability to morph from a tight synthetic clap to a loose natural one with just a few tweaks. The sloppy control is where DS Clap starts to reveal its flexibility. By adjusting the delay times, you can simulate the natural imperfection of multiple hands clapping simultaneously or tighten them up for a more machine like precision. Tail gives the clap its atmospheric presence, extending the noise to create a fuller sound that can cut through any mix. The stereo field is your playground with the spread slider. A setting at 0% keeps your clap dead center, perfect for a focused driving beat. Slide it up to 100%, and your clap blooms across the stereo spectrum, offering an immersive experience. DS Clap's tone slider is akin to a sonic paintbrush, allowing you to color your clap with brighter or darker shades. Higher settings add a crispness that can stand out in a mix, while lower settings offer a more subdued, mellow clap that can blend smoothly into the background. The instrument's tune and decay knobs offer further sculpting options. Tune alters the pitch, providing a spectrum from deep, thudding claps to higher pitched snaps. Decay, on the other hand, controls the length of the sound, giving you the power to decide whether your clap is short and snappy or long and lingering. DS Clap is not just another percussion instrument, it's a sound shaping tool that brings life to the rhythm section of your production. Its intuitive interface invites both beginners and seasoned producers to explore the nuances of one of the most fundamental sounds in music. With DS Clap, you have the ability to create a clap sound that is uniquely yours, tailored to the mood and style of your track.